Good evening viewers, welcome back to your favorite research network, Live Tips. We will try to analyze the currency market with Mr. Joy, and later during the session we will discuss the commodities market with myself, Navneet. As the US market is set to open in a few hours time. So welcome back Mr. Joy.
Thanks, man.
So Mr. Joy, as we are entering into the US trading session, what are the key supports and resistance level to watch out for individual currency pairs?
Well, taking into account the euro is USD, the first support for euro is at 1.2978 and then 1.2894.
Okay.
The rest of all the currencies at 1.3069 and then 1.3120.
Okay.
Japanese yen vs USD, the current support is at 83.16 and the second support comes at 82.71.
Okay.
The rest, first resistance is at 83.58 and then 83.95. So, GBP vs USD, the first support is at 1.5435 and then comes 1.54. That's a 200-day moving average.
Okay.
Rest of all the currencies at 1.5466 and then 1.5502. Australian dollar vs USD, the first support is at 0.9923 and the second one is at 0.9981. The rest of all the currencies at 0.9965 and then 1.0004. So we have seen some correction in the Australian currency against the US dollar because of the floods going on in the Australia.
Okay, and also we have seen the Australian dollar correcting below the key parity levels also. So does it have any impact on the markets?
The main things that currently Australian dollar currently is because of the floods that is going on in Australia. So because Australia is a major exporter of the corn, and we can see a major spike in the commodity prices because of this flood.
Okay. So thank you Mr. Joy for your valuable insights. Stay tuned viewers, we will be discussing the commodities market after this commercial.
Welcome back viewers, we will discuss the commodities market with Mr. Navneet. Welcome Mr. Navneet.
Thank you Joy.
So Mr. Navneet, what are the economic data releases which came in during the day?
Yeah. Eurozone data also started with the negative data which came in the form of Germany retail sales number on a month-on-month basis which declined to minus 2.4% as against the forecasted value of 0.6%.
Okay.
Also we had the German trade balance data which declined to 11.8 billion as against the forecasted value of 14.5 billion. This is a crucial data considering the fact Germany is an export-oriented economy.
Okay.
Eurozone unemployment rate came in unchanged at 10.1% and Eurozone final GDP quarter to quarter declined to 0.3%. It was forecasted to remain unchanged at 0.4%. Eurozone German industrial production numbers on a month-on-month basis declined to 0.7% as against a consensus value of minus 0.1%. So that was the only positive data which came in during the European trading session.
Okay. So what are the key data expected during the US trading section today?
Yeah, today is a very important day in the US economy and we have the US non-farm employment change numbers expected to improve by 150,000 numbers as against the previous value of 39,000. So this is a very crucial data release which the market is keenly watching out for. And we have the US unemployment rate which is expected to decline to 9.7% as against the previous value of 9.8%. So we are expecting a marginal decline in the unemployment numbers by 0.1%. So this will be crucial data which the market will be keenly watching out for. US average hourly earnings on a month-on-month basis is expected to improve by 0.2% as against the previous value of 0.0%. And we have the Fed chairman giving testimony before the US Senate today. That will be a very crucial statement which the market will be keenly watching out for because he will be saying some comments about the state of the economy and also about the future interest rate regime that is going to be taken into.
Okay, fine. So what are the key commodity levels for trading today?
Yeah, gold has got a very good support at $1,355 and this is a very crucial support to watch out for. If this level is broken with good volumes, we can expect a correction happening in the gold prices to 1332 levels, which will be the next crucial support level to watch out for. 1370 will be acting as a very good intraday resistance level for the commodity prices. And if this level is broken with good volumes, we can expect $1397 on the upside. So we expect the market will be taking cues from the unemployment numbers that is expected to come in from US today. Silver has got a very good support at $28.44 and $27.56 is the next support level to watch out for if this level is broken with good volumes. We can expect 29.20 levels is the next resistance level to watch out for. So we can expect the prices to fluctuate between the 29.20 levels and 28.44 levels ahead of the key data releases coming in from the US today. And 29.81 will be the final resistance level to watch out for in today's trading. Crude has got a very good support at $87.56 and this is incidentally the 50-day moving average support level for the commodity prices. 86.34 will be the next level to watch out for if this level is broken with good volumes. And we do not expect the market to test the 86.34 level as 87.56 is a very crucial support level for the markets. $89.25 will be the next resistance level to watch out for an upward movement, and $90 will be the psychological resistance level for the commodity will be the next level to watch out for if this level is broken. Natural gas has got a very good support at $4.41, and we saw some fluctuation happening in the prices yesterday after the inventory data releases. And we can expect the prices to test at 4.26 levels. That is a very crucial support level because it is also the 50-day moving average support level for the commodity prices. 4.55 will be the resistance level to watch out for, and if this level is broken with good volumes, we can expect $4.71 on the upside. Copper has got a very good support at $423, and it is currently hovering around these key support levels itself. $4.7 will be the next level to watch out for if this level is broken with good volumes. 434 will be the resistance level to watch out for on upward movement, and 441 will be the next level to watch out for on further movement upward.
Okay. So thanks, Larry, for your coverage. So keep watching. We have the equity market section with Mr. Mohan coming after this commercial. Welcome back, viewers. This is Mohan giving more updates about F&O activity for the day for few more minutes. Let's go with the FII statistics yesterday. FII net buy was the index future around 131 crores, and net stocks future sell was around 433 crores as on yesterday. And today we saw the Nifty future closed at a premium of 10 points, and even February future has closed at 25 points. Put call ratio open interest has decreased from 1.31 to 1.24 levels, and implied volatility at the money options as January expect remained the same level as on 16%. Open interest was overall market was around 1,25,912 crores, and even stock future was around 38,160 crores. And yesterday we saw some significant build-up was observed in the 6,100 and 200 call option, and buying was visible in 5,900 put option. FII data suggesting some bit of buying in the call option and even in the put option also. Even today we saw some Nifty was overly and overheated in the market, and it was down by around 160 points on the intraday basis and closed around 140 points. So we saw some negative overall in the picture. But today we saw some also a positive stocks, which is good movement with the open interest are like Bank of India. Open interest was 4.4, an increase in a price of around 1%. Paraj Industry open interest was 2%, an increase in a price of 1%. And Bata India open interest was 5.15, an increase in a price of 1.5. Union Bank open interest was 2%, an increase in a price of 1%. So we saw only in few sectors which is in positive, and most of all the stocks which are in negative for the day only. And there are some very high negative and with a high increase in open interest are like S Bank. S Bank open interest was 23.41 with a decrease in a price of 4.35 and nearly 5%, and even Bajaj Auto open interest was 11% and decrease in a price of 1.5. JSW Steel open interest was 10%, decrease in a price of 5.5. HDFC Limited open interest was 9.1 with a decrease in a price of 4%. DLF open interest was 8.5 with a decrease in a price of 3%, and other stocks with a good open interest with a decrease in a price of like GVK Power, Bharti Airtel, Kotak Bank, Indian Bank, HDFC Bank, Exide Industry. They are most of all the weakness for the day. So there we saw some overall today negative and for the day, and even we saw some Nifty has closed in a danger zone where we can say a weekly close was very bearish. And we may see some further weakness. We also may see some bearishness in the market, and especially like IT sector has started a weakness. So that will be again more concern for the market, because last week we saw some holding on IT sector and banking sector was weakness was visible. But today we saw some IT sector and even banking sector also showing some bit of weakness. So it may further weakness we may expect for the next week. So don't hold any long position. If you are holding long position, one can buy a put option around out of the money like 5,800. Again, earlier also we suggested 3,200 put option buying for every long cash position holding. So that's all about the current market, F&O activities and even derivatives segment. So that's all now, viewers. I will be back with the news and more update on tomorrow. Till then, this is Mohan saying goodbye from Live Test Market Research Limited.